Tapos eto na, hintayin naman natin ng New Year. So, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-prepare ng New Year. Hindi muna ako nag-clean ng bahay kasi alam ko maraming mga pulbura, powder na magkakalat na naman sa bahay ko. So, New Year is quite threatening. Medyo takot ako pag New Year kasi 3 times nang pumutok ang tubig ko sa ground floor ko and I was so mad. Siyempre, you're sleeping and your water pipe just got burst without you knowing it. Imagine mo yung tubig mo is overflowing while you're sleeping. Diba? Ang sakit nun. Tapos nobody cares or inform you that, oh, your water pipe got burst because of those firecrackers. So ngayon, mas maingat ako. Sisiniguraduhin kong babantayan ko yung bahay ko at sealed siya bago mag 12:00 ng gabi. Prevention is better than cure. Kasi pag nagpaputok na sila, hindi mo na alam kung saan sila pumupunta yung paputok. Last year ay pumasok sa windows ko yung firecrackers and nasunog yung mga foam. I got so worried. Kada New Year yan, instead of being happy, I felt worried. Christmas is full of happiness, expectations, love, while New Year is full of expectations and fear. Ganun pa man, New Year is very important for me because ito na yung hinihintay ko, panibagong taon, yugto ng buhay ko. Panibagong goals and resolutions for the New Year to come. So ano ang New Year's resolution ko? Iwasan ko ng magalit. Remove hatred in my heart. Try to be the real me. Lagi naman akong the real me, pero mas as you get older kasi parang your feeling is I don't have to please anybody to like me kasi nobody will like you eh. So if you like me, I like you. If you don't like me, I don't like you. But I will be civil and nice. And the third of my New Year's resolution is to be more helpful. Helpful, to share, to be more loving. And fourth is just be persistent. Dagdag exercise for a senior citizen like me. And I'll pursue my fifth New Year's resolution is I'll pursue my dreams. Travel locally to Boracay, to Cebu, to Bohol. I will do that. Sana matupad. So ikaw, anong New Year's resolution mo? Let's sit down and comment on this video. Salamat sa lahat ng subscribers ko. Thank you. Kahit ang kukulit ng video ko, that's the real me. I'm showing the real me. My talents. May talent ba? So, be with me, stay with me, kasi I'm sharing my life with you. Life seems so short for a cancer survivor. So, I'll just stay happy and create good memories while I still can. So, salamat sa inyo. Welcome year 2026. Poo! Poo! I love you.